Hey everyone, I just wanted to share my review of GrooveFunnels Mastery with Tony Upright. For me, it's the best foundation for anyone wanting to know how to navigate the GrooveFunnels platform. Whether you're doing it yourself, you have a team like a VA, or if it's something that you're wanting to just have on hand for things in the future. I know that Groove is still in beta at the moment, and some people are using it now, and other people have bought it as an investment down the track. So the reason I recommend this course for anyone, and why it's the best foundation, is Tony is so thorough and knowledgeable. So the course that he's put together is really easy to follow, whether you're a tech person or not a tech person. It's really concise, and he's really good at training to talk through the steps. So from my experience, it's great for anyone of all levels. I've had people that have joined and used this program and they're advanced. There may be affiliate marketers or funnel designers. And then there's been people that have, everyday business owners, and myself, where I've got a little bit of the tech knowledge, but it's still a very new game for me. So it's been a great learning curve, and the reason I signed up personally is, Groove is such a new platform and different to what I was using previously. So learning how, all the different options, all the different features, navigating that was quite overwhelming. And there's lots of great training videos, but I found that Tony's was really great when you're looking for specific information, and you're just wanting to do it short and sweet, step by step. The other thing is he's got a resource center. So if there's something that hasn't been covered in one of the modules, but someone had a question regarding something specific, he's also put extra information in the resource center. When he's gone through with someone, done a video about it, he shared it with everybody. So on top of just the course content, which you can just follow and go through the categories on where you're wanting to learn next, the other thing is that he's got the Facebook community, which again has been such a blessing for me. So there's people in there. Tony himself, he's got a background like where he has, been in ClickFunnels, for example, and become a really top user. Spent, I think, $30,000 on their coaching program, and is self-taught, really understanding coding and finding his way through. So he's a master of knowledge when it comes to this stuff. It's certainly a lot of knowledge that I couldn't just go pick up myself. So to have that on hand, to have access to that brain is incredible, as well as everyone else in the community, from affiliate marketers, funnel designers, web creators, everyday business people. It is such a helpful community. Really supportive, and anything you get stuck on, whether it's easy or it's a complex question, is incredible. The other thing I like about it, and particularly Tony, and why Tony stood out before I jumped onto his course, is that he really understands the back end. So even when it looked like certain things couldn't be done, on occasion, he's been able to figure out a way to navigate through that. So there's not always an answer. Groove is still in beta. So it just depends at what point you're coming on board to navigate the platform. But definitely this is a great course to have on hand. At the moment, he's got a great deal. It's going to go up in price. He's just about to bring it out of beta stage now. I joined when he rolled it out initially in October, and it's grown as he's put more units in it. He's going to start doing Groove Sell and the other parts of the mastery. But definitely I recommend grabbing this to really just have on hand, have that knowledge, that expert skill on hand, and the community to help you with anything that you're stuck on, and just, grow your business by spending less time in the overwhelm and headache. So that's my recommendation for everybody. Yeah, and the other thing is Tony, aside from being just super personable, he really does want to make this the best course. So he's open to feedback. He loves hearing what anyone is stuck in, because if he hasn't put it in the content, he wants to capture that and put it in the content to really make sure it covers everything. And I just think that's incredible for any training resource. So I'll sign off here, but that's my recommendation.